Serpentine Junction, Hartlepool. A guide for turning left and right up the Hart lane. On approach to the junction, you'll see the single lane splits into two, one for left, one for right. The road on the right is the old Serpentine lane. It's a dead end. We're turning left. Up to the stop line, you notice the traffic light has a left filter light, unlit at the moment. Both lanes of traffic being held at a stop. The left filter comes on. Traffic turning to the left can now make progress. The left filter light is dictated by the amount of traffic coming up the road. So sometimes when you approach this junction to turn left, you'll notice the light is green. Green means go on this occasion for both lanes, turning left and right. To turn right down Hart Lane. As we approach the junction, check your mirrors. Indicate to the right and move into the right lane. Held at the junction by the stoplight. Lights change. Look to the right, look to where you're going. Take note when you're making progress down Hart Lane, and very shortly you come to the change in speed limit.